Hello everyone! Andito kami sa Sam's sa Fort Smith, Arkansas. Yan guys. Another Sam's.
Oh, look at that big mixer, baby.
What's this?
Yeah. It's a big one though.
Yeah, let's go look the Christmas light. So that it's not. Ayan. Ang dami nilang ano.
I don't know where to go here.
Yeah. Kasi malaking ano to. There, over there, the ano, Christmas. Ayan guys, oh. Ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Oy.
We gotta look for cranberries too.
Yeah. Ang ganda, oh. Merry Christmas! Christmas na dito, guys. Ang dami nilang display for a Christmas. Ayan, ang gaganda, oh. Ayan, guys.
Behind you.
Oh.
That ain't the right place, though. Huh.
Yeah. But where's the other one then?
It's the one you want too.
Yeah, that's the one I want.
This is warm. Now you want bright.
No, yeah. Where they are? Where they go? Ayan na, Christmas gift. Yeah, over there. Yeah.
She did say this morning,
Ayan, no, pang regalo, mga sis. Ayan, nakaready na sila ng pangregalo ng Christmas. Ayan. Ayan, no. Ah, ang ganda. Ayan.
Only one light. Oh, here it is.
Over there in the bag.
Cool light. That's what you want.
Yeah, that's the one I get.
How many?
It's a LED. You get two. Okay.
3? 2?
Two.
You only need 2?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at me. Kawawa naman siya. Hindi kami kumuha ng basket. Why you don't get some basket, huh? You don't have it? So where we gonna find the cranberry then?
We're pretty close to it.
The bag is over there, huh? Look, look. There's a lot of bags over there. The bag. Maybe over here. Yan guys, so malaki ngayon dito itong pinuntahan namin store. Itong pinakamalaki. Sandi dito kami sa city ng ano. Ayun, nahanapan ko na. Yung hinahanap namin ni David. Cranberries. Ayan guys, andito na yung gusto naming bilhin.
What about your club crackers? You like those, baby?
Huh?
The club?
No. How much is that? It's but it's big. Ayun, napagod na siya. Feel sleepy? Ayan guys. Pauwi na kami. Ayan, pagod na kami naglibot guys. Hello guys, pauwi na kami. Ang daming ano, oh, tignan nyo ang pila ng ano, gasolinahan. Ito kasi ang pinakamura sa lahat ng gas, kaya ang dami, puro nakapilang mga tao. Yan, kami nang susunod dito. Next na kami dyan. Yan guys, pauwi na kami. Magagasolina na lang. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Going back home. Ayan, nakabili na kami lahat ng mga gusto naming bilhin. At Pag uwi namin, tatapusin din namin yung aking Christmas light. Bye guys!
Bye, everybody.
Bye guys! Pauwi na
The sun
kami.
is so bright.
Yan, pauwi na kami, nakabili na kami lahat ng bibilin namin, kaya pauwi na kami ngayon. Thank you for watching guys.
Bye.
Bye.